Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Mini Thunderdome. We are live. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is the second streaming on October 17th, 2023. As always, this is pure entertainment for educational purposes only. If you follow any of my trades, you're doing so at your own risk. We're not responsible for any losses or damages to anyone's live account, PA, or evaluations. All right. Disclaimer off. Okay. Wow, look where we are. So I am already, I switched from CL to MCL. I'm already in profit, so I'm not going to give any money back. Good morning, everyone. So, there could be a long here already. There's a pullback. So, but, all right, I'm not going to take because I'm going to go and talk a little bit here, but there could be a long, just a scalp from 85 all the way up to 86. But I'm not going to take it. So this morning I went for a gap closure. Should have stayed. There it is, target 86. So that was a nice little scalp there, 15-point scalp. So I went for a gap closure. I thought we were going to go to 86, but I was afraid of a few levels, so I exited. Here, I'll show. Usually I don't like to go and show my trades, but I'll go ahead. And it's not going to show because this is MCL. Yeah. All right, it's not going to show my big trades, but yeah. So I took a short here. I covered, took another short. Then I got out right at 30. The market shot up. Then I took another long here. I believe at 90. I cleared at, I think I cleared at 37 or 27, and then 37. And then I started telling the traders that I was very suspicious about staying positive, that I thought that the low was weak, and I still had a target of 86.06 and of 85.95. And boom, here we are. It just anchors away fast and furious. So now it seems like we're going sideways a little bit here. But yeah, so we're $1, 1 whole point negative. I still have a solid target of 42. So there could be a short right here. I'm going to go and take a short. I'm going to take a short right here. Oh, that was quick. And all right. So true target is going to be all the way down at 42. But I'm just going to go for a quick little scalp. I just want to get some risk off. So risk off. And then I'm going to go and leave a runner. There we go. Hit it. Go. Hot knife that baby. Go. Oh, come on. Oh. Come on. Get me out. Oh, my God. One tick. One tick. Wow. It may have turned on me here. Oh my God, that's frustrating. one tick. Okay, so why do I have a target of 42? Because at 38 is where a gap starts. And that gap is from the 13th on Friday, which goes all the way down to 82.90. So if we could hot knife the gap, oh my God, that was one tick. All right, if we could hot knife this gap, chances are that we may see a 85.20, 84.66. Oh, it's going to take me out. What a bummer. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but wow, one tick. So my risk versus reward is not good here because this is a longer time frame correction. So the stop has to be, because true target on this trade, if I was to believe in this higher time frame, first target would be 22, 85.22, and then all the way down to 80, 84.68. But I don't know. Do we have another whole dollar in this negative here? I don't know. I mean, never discount anything on crude. You think it's not going to go, and it goes. But we are doing price discovery. What does that mean? It means that the market is making new lows. So it is doing price discovery. Oh, man. Now I'm a little bummed that I didn't get out with that. I should have raised it. I almost raised it to 76. All right, since if it doesn't, looks like it's going to take me out. All right. Yeah, it may want to go back all the way to 30 and go and challenge the RTH previous low. Bummer. All right, negative 69 on this trade. So I gave back some money here. But I'm doing very well this morning, so I'll give a little bit back for the sake of streaming for you guys. So I've had a good morning already. All right, let's see if it wants to go and challenge the RTH previous low. And we may have a short from there. No blind trades. We need proof. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, a like, so it could help my algo. I would really appreciate that. So I trade the CL once I reach a certain profit target. I go and I switch to the MCL because I'm still streaming. Otherwise, I would have called my day. You got to know when to walk away. I tell my traders all the time, walk away. You got no business in hanging around and watching me trade. Got no business. You made your profits, leave. If you don't have a hobby, if trading is your hobby, you will never be a successful trader. You need to have a hobby. Go walk your dog. Go do something. All right, so I'm looking for a challenge of either 30 or 53. 86.30 or 86.53. We may be done on the lows here. I did have 60 as a target also. No, actually I had, I believe it was 77, not 60. Let me check here. I already erased it. Yeah, I erased it. It was 64. That's what I had. I had 64 at a target. Let me see here. Because every time I hit a target, I erase them. So what I had on the short, I had 86.28, 86.16, 85.98 or 95. Oh no, 85.62, and then 85.42. So 62 are low right now. So I missed it by 2 ticks. I missed it by 2 ticks. All right, there could be a long here. All right, I'm going to take a long. So high risk trade because they could be protecting 86. Okay, this could be a fake out to go long. So they could be trying to protect 86. So this is a high risk trade. If you're on a short bias, then I would have gone short at 97, but then I would have to have my stop above 18, above my first target on the long. So I'm very aware that this is a high risk trade on the long because they could be trying to protect 86 from the buyers. Come on, buyers. Step in. Step in. I don't think it's going to go. Just saw a sell order. It's going to take me out. Unless we could pass 14. Come on. Need to hot knife right through 14. I am tempted to exit this. So I'm getting mixed signals here on. Usually I like to correlate my trades in 3 time frames, and I'm getting both of my higher ones are showing me that it's trying to do a zigzag south. So zigzags are corrections in Elliot wave. Go, 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 go. Show me that 15. Oh, whoa. Oh. God, the spread on the MCL is insane. Market was at 14 and the bid was at 08. Wow. Come on. So both of my higher time frames are showing me corrections, and my lower time frame is showing me a wave 3 long, which true target is 35. So let's see here. So right here, $35. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, target 35 on a shorter time frame. On a longer time frame, we are doing a zigzag south. Come on, go, 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 go. Right, nobody is really committing to being above 86. Every time it reaches 13 or 14, they start selling. Right, I'm going to move it to 17. Go, go, yes, hit. Oh my God, it hit, it didn't fill. Oh no, not again. Yes, yes. Woohoo. All right, let's see if we could challenge that 30. Actually, I want to be first in line. I'm getting out at 27. So anytime you put a limit order, you follow, you go into a queue. Whoever was there first is going to be filled first. This is why, if you don't know, if it hits your target, it doesn't take you out, is because there wasn't enough there to fill your order, or there was people in front of you, and then the bid started to hit harder than the ask, so then it doesn't fill you. This is MCL. I switched from CL already. I don't want to give any profits back, so now I'm on MCL. Yeah, I don't trade sim, so I prefer target. Yes, so I prefer to go and make less money than to go and trade sim for you guys here on the live stream. Sim, you should only trade sim if you are learning an instrument or your platform. Sim gives you bigger balls. Pardon me if there's any ladies listening, but yeah, it's, you do not trade the same way when you're trading sim versus cash or evaluation. You take more risk, or you're, hey, let's go. So never trade sim unless you are learning a new instrument. All right, so now we are at decision point. What is the market going to do here? What is it going to do? Oh, we're going to go and find sellers protecting this resistant area, and we're going to come all the way back down, or we're going to just do a wave 4 down to then finish a wave 5. So wave 5 is a truncated 5, so it could end before 3, it could end at 3, or after 3. So let me get out my trusted Fibo, my Fibotsky, and let's see where a wave 4. So it seems like we came right to the top of a wave 4. So all of this here is wave 4. So here's wave 4. And then it would launch again, but we could be on an extended wave 3. And if it is an extended wave 3, we're going to go and challenge the high 40s or 50. But I think we will pull back. So let's see how it deals with support. So this is going to turn into support. So this is the clue. Do we hot knife 10? or does it find support and launch, and then it goes and tags 30 again, and then complete fail to go and finish? Or is this the low? So the market is always giving us clues. We are the one in charge of trying to figure it out. Oh, so we did hit. Oh, you know what? I didn't notice that. Hold on. Okay. All right. So on the MCL, we stopped at 60, but no, it is 60. All right. I'm looking at the wrong date here. All right. For a second, I got confused. I was looking at Friday. All right. So we still have 42. All right. Here we go. So is this going to be support, or are we going to launch to go and tag? So is it going to be support, go and tag 30 again? Or is it going to run through? Because this little here, this could have been wave 5 here. Because it did hit the upper Lanshan of 4. So this could be 5. So that could be 5. But 4 will usually have either an ABC, or it will have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if wave 2 does an ABC, usually wave 4 will do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and vice versa. So if wave 2 does the 5 wave count, then wave 4 will do a simple ABC. And it looks like let's see. It looks like wave 2 is an ABC. So right there, see how it pulls back right there? It's the same candle, but this is a 2-minute chart. If we go into a 1-minute chart, you will see it. All right, there could be a short opportunity here. I am tempted to take a short here. All right. Oh, I might have missed it. I don't want to get scalped here. All right. I'm going to only take a 1 lot. But I might have missed it. Might have missed it. So I need to be above 35. Let's see if we can go and hit that 42. Let's see. Let's see if we're done to the downside. But again, we could be doing a wave 4 up. This could turn into support and launch and take me straight out. We could also be moving sideways, and it will take me out and then come and test 82. Smart money would exit at, not 82. Smart money would exit at 86. If I had more than one contract, I would scale out at 86.02. 14 tick scalp, risk off. So I'm risking 22 to make $74. That's not a bad trade. But if I was trading CL, that would be a lot of risk. Oh, and here we go. Yep, I got tricked. So that does look like a wave 5 hopefully is done. I'm going to give myself a little more room here if I have time. But it looks like it may want to go and test that 50 or the 40s. I need sellers to step in right now. But Now that looks like a perfect wave 5. So either it's truncated and we're done, or it's going to find another leg here at 24 and launch again. So wave 4 could be done. So test here to then go and finish somewhere around there. So I need sellers to step in. I need sellers to protect 30. But it looks like I'm in trouble. But I'm going with the trend. So I am following my rules. Biggest rips are to the downside. We are negative. The only thing that's going against me is that we might have found the low already. That is the only thing. You're welcome. That is the only thing, is that we might have found our low. Maybe the thing about CL that they front run a lot. When I say front run, is a level that they have buyers lined up before it reaches a level. So the hot target is to close that gap at 40, and maybe they had a whole bunch of buyers, trying to stop it, because it can create a snowball effect and start filling that empty gap. So if you are a buyer, if you are bullish, you want to protect that position, right? So you start stacking up. You stack, stack, stack. So the low could be done. I believe that's what happened yesterday. I think that's what happened yesterday. Let me go back in time here. I don't want to look away. But yeah, so yesterday we reached the low of 33, and it shot up all the way up to, so it was 86.33, and it shot all the way up to 87.51. So yep. So this should be resistance, right? Because they should be holding. It should, yesterday's low should turn into resistance. But I still have that 50 as a challenge. So it seems like most of my long time frame corrections are proving to be wrong. And I should be sticking to the lower time frames. It'd be nice to see a challenge of 86. All right, I think I'm going to exit at 86. Let's see. 86. That'll be a $16 trade. All right, seeing a little bit of selling here, but we are mostly going sideways. Come on, sellers. Get in there. Yeah, if you are not on the sell side, if I was to go long, I would think about going long at 30. So I would go long at 30, target 47, have my stop at 19. So there could be a trade from 30. Let's start. Because it looks like it's starting to hold. So long at 30 and target 47. and my stop would have to be under 19. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna launch here. These sellers to protect 30. Come on, show me a 19. Let's go. Liquidity has dropped a lot. Volume has dropped. Here we go. Got a hot knife 11. Go, 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 go. Hot knife 11 and hot knife 86. I am tempted to just exit at 86. Yeah, I'm going to exit at 86. I think we're done on the downside. I think we're done. Let me check here. So I trade also using Bookmap. If you don't have Bookmap, you are blind. You gotta get Bookmap. It's an order flow platform. There's a link in my description. There's also a coupon code if you decide to go and get it. And if you get it, I suggest getting TTW-TradeFinder, which is a add-on. I also have a link and a discount code. All right, so no icebergs, no target, nice. No icebergs, no sell sweeps at the low. So maybe we're not done. Yeah, no icebergs, no hidden orders, just a big stop of 259 contracts. And then there was one before at 68 of 306. And then before that, another one of 358 at 82. So these could be. So a stop can either stop the market or add fuel. It could start a chain reaction, a snowball to just rip the market. Excuse me. Yeah, so I don't know. This here, it's having a hard time making a new high here. But it didn't kill this. So I always look at the back end. Okay. So I'm not looking for higher highs. I'm looking for higher lows. So I'm always at the back end. So it failed to kill this higher low here. So I want to see more than 2, 3 is perfect. So here's one, kill this one here, and then kill this one here, and then obviously make a new low. So, but if it's finding support before it kills the higher low, then chances are, in my opinion, that we're going up. But then on the other hand, if we're going short, it failed. Here is the whoops, no, wrong place. Here is the lower high. So it should kill. So if we get above 77 and then 14, or now actually, so the first one would be 40. 40 and then 78. So maybe we are starting to go down. So not a lot of information. I would be very careful. Very careful. I'm getting conflicted information. So I think we may be going sideways. So we are at a major number. If you're a buyer, you want to hold this 86. We get under 85, then it's showing weakness. Sell pressure under 30. Okay, yeah. So on a higher time frame, this, even a higher one, this could be a wave 4. So if you are on the buy side, if I was to go long, I would go long at 15. I would have my first target at 40 and then a runner at 58. But my stop would have to be under 86. And if I was to go short, yeah, I would have to go and take a trade under 09. But it seems like they are protecting that 30. Yeah, so it's either a short from here all the way down to 78 or a long from where the market is now all the way up to 60. So decision point, let's go and check where point of control is. Point of control, I think, is all the way up. Yeah, point of control is all the way at 87.07. So we are at the bottom of value. So chances are that this is probably a long. So first target on the long would be 40. So go and test right here. So if I was to take a trade, I would probably take a long, but don't have enough information. I'm getting mixed information, so I'm going to choose to sit out. Don't want to give back any of my profits. I already spent a lot of money on commission. I was up to 2130, and now I'm at let me make sure my account's not showing. Hold on. So I'm over. This is before commissions. So I'm going to be careful. You don't want to trade just for the sake of trading. You want to make sure that the market is, that you are seeing the clues that the market is giving you. I want to say thank you guys for joining this live streaming. If you're new to the channel, subscribe so you can get a notification when I go live. I would appreciate a thumbs up so it could help my algo. If you want to know more about me, go to my channel. I believe there's a link in the video description. So all of my trades are all either support, resistance trades, or FIBO and Elliot wave. Thank you. Thank you, Charles. It looks like it may challenge that 40. So now I'm going to go to Bookmap and see what type of interest. So Bookmap is awesome because it will show you how the interest on a handle, if it's a few guys or if it's one player. So at 37, there are 18 contracts waiting to be filled, and about 80% is one player. So that tells me that a institution, someone is really investing in that level. Either they want to get filled there, they want to exit, or they're trying to block their position. So you always want to do what the big players are doing, right? We want to follow them. We want to figure out what they're doing. So not only I'm seeing this, but everyone else is seeing that. So it could be used as a target because there's a big boy there just, waiting for something. And now they pulled back some and it dropped. No, it's still hit 18. And then there's also interest growing at 45. Now, VWAP on Bookmap, I don't know what it is always different. And usually is a solid target also. And my VWAP on Bookmap is at 47. And that is right under FIBO 50. So these could be targets. So again, first target on the long is 40. And then if it picks up steam, it's going to go all the way to 58, which is coinciding with VWAP and 50 FIBO. But it seems like they are trying to protect that 30. Here we go. Did we hit target already? 40? Did it hit 40? So it seems like it's a good little trade. So that was long from 14 all the way to 40. That's a nice little trade, especially if it was a big boy trade. That's money right there. That's like $160 with one contract on the big boy. I trade anywhere between 3 and 6 contracts. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. I try to be. I'm here to give back, and because I was same place as you guys were if you're a beginner or intermediate. I was at the same spot, and I know how rough it can get, how dark it can get when you're trying to learn, you're trying to figure it out. So, and plus, I enjoy teaching. I really do. I really do enjoy teaching. And here we are, 40. Is that 40? 39. So I would scale out now at 39 or 40 and leave a runner to go maybe to 53. But this could be the end. Double top here. Double top. So if they are done, I'm going to take a short. I'm going to take a one lot short here. I'm going to take a one lot short. Oh, I got scalped. I'm going to take a one lot short. So could I either exit just for a scalp at 23, or I can go all the way down to 86. So on 2 time frames, it hit an ABC. So this is an ABC. ABC is it's the most frequent wave that you will see in Elliot wave. It will always do it in ABC, right? Because an ABC will go and turn into a wave 3, right? So ABC you'll always see. So the ABC resistance is 40. So it should pull back to do a wave 1, a zigzag, or another B wave down to go and turn into a wave 3. So I got scalped a little bit. I would have liked to gotten in at 32, but I thought it was going to run away from me, so I jumped on it. So if it goes my way, it's a 2.0 risk versus reward trade. So I'm risking $12 to make $26. You always want to be above 1.25 risk versus reward, but I take a lot of scalps, so sometimes I'm upside down. So I see no institutional trading at all. They have gone flat. You're welcome. Thank you. So I need sellers at 30. Here it comes. I could move it up. I'm going to give myself a little more room here. But I think I'm dead in the water here. And if I'm going to do that, I need to go and move my target. Got to move my target. Since I'm adding risk, now I also want to increase my profit. But it could stop at 86. So if it starts to fall, I need to go and manage 86. Oh, man. Oh, maybe I shouldn't move it up because I am right at VWAP. Maybe I should just take, you know what? I'm going to take the hit here because I am right at VWAP. And VWAP is a magnet. I mean, it's only $5 more. All right. $5 more. All right, but this is a mistake. If you're a beginner, you shouldn't be doing this. This is a bad idea because I still have Feeble 50 at 52, and then I got VWAP at 47. So this is a bad idea. If I was on a big boy trade here, I would have tried not to do this, but I'm always under leverage, so I can't do this. You gotta always be under leverage. So I mean, you should, if you're a beginner, you should never scale in. But if you're intermediate or advanced trader and you know your levels, you could scale in. Scale in is when you're adding a contract when you're negative, but you're adding you could be adding to a bad trade, right? So unless you really know what you're doing and you have something to fall back into, what is something to fall back into is support and resistance level. Okay, so if there's a level that you know that can hold, like 86 is a major number now. So, you know, maybe I could, because I know that there will be buyers at 86. So I could fall back into that, can act as a wall blocking so the trade doesn't go against me. But here, the only thing that I have to fall back into it is way above, and that is VWAP and then 50 FIBO. So to really be safe in this trade, I need to be at 56. But I have a target on the long at 58. So smart money would get stopped out now here at 42. Right? But, you know, this is pennies on the dollar here on how positive I am today. So I'm going to go and let her ride. But if I was trading the CL, it would have been scary. And I'm not a trading guru. I make mistakes. Yesterday, I went from positive to negative 1,500, but I knew my levels. If you got to know where the market wants to go. You can never get in a trade if you don't have a target. And yesterday I knew that the target was going to be at least 73, 86, 73. So I was able to go from being negative to positive 430. But I still had a target of 52. You can go ahead and watch yesterday's video, the second part. I did say that either exit at 73 or at 52, and I believe that the market low before it closed was 50. So, you know, someone made a comment, oh, you got lucky. Luck had nothing to do with it. I knew my levels, okay? But I will take luck before skill any day, because luck is infinite and skill is finite. There's only so much skill you could have, but luck is infinite. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in about 7 minutes here. I appreciate you coming out to watch. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email is in the description. Check out my website. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me here also. And I would appreciate either leaving me a comment or hitting like so it could help the algo so other people could find this video so they could learn also. Because we are not hurting anybody. We need to unite. Retail is so small that they don't even see us. They don't even see us. So, you know, if you're trading, tell your friends about trading. All right, I'm going to exit this. I think it's going to turn on me. It's just struggling. Let's see if it will let me out. I'll lose commission. It's not going to let me out. God, the spread is gnarly on this. Yeah. I don't want to jump on a trade here, but long at 30 is looking good. All right, I'm going to take it. But I'm going to go and end. I got scalped. Oh, no, I didn't get scalped. I'm going to exit everything F48. Oh, and it turned on me. No, it turned on me. I guess they are protecting 30. All right. Bummer. Give myself a little more here, but seems like they turned on me. Yep. All right, guys, I'm done. If this takes me out, I'm done. If it doesn't, I'm going to go and exit at 48. Yeah, I should have stayed on my short. Yeah, I've been saying all morning, longs are scalp, shorts are target. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So downside target, still have, so go and challenge, I would say 80. Also challenge the new low, but true target is 85.42 is the true target on the downside. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.